Hello students, 10 years 2010 to 2020 ICSE class 10 physics chapter wise solutions. Okay, in this I am taking a chapter refraction of light. What is meant by refraction of light? What is the cause of refraction of light? Yes, we know this. The change in the direction of a ray of light when it travels from one medium to another medium is called refraction of light. What is the cause of refraction of light? When light travels from one medium to another medium, what happens? At the interface it bends. So medium 1 and medium 2, the speed of light is different. So cause of refraction of light is change in speed of light when light travels from one medium to another medium. The refractive index of diamond is 2.42. What is meant by this statement? Yes, for this, recall refractive index definition. What it says? It says that refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is the ratio of speed of light in medium 1 to the speed of light in medium 2. Right? Here first medium we are taking as air. So it means that the ratio of velocity of light in vacuum, or we can write air, to the velocity of light in diamond is 2.42. Now question 3. A ray of monochromatic light is incident from air on a glass slab. Draw a labeled diagram showing the change in the path of the ray till it emerges from the glass slab. Name the two rays that are parallel to each other. Mark the lateral displacement in your diagram. See? Yes, a rectangular glass slab. For this it is necessary to draw normal. Yes, a ray of light, it travels from air to glass slab. So what happens? It bends towards the normal, right? So angle of incidence. Next, one more normal on second surface. So now this refracted ray acts as an incident ray on second surface, and now glass to air. So what happens? It bends away from the normal. So this is emergent ray. It makes an angle with normal is E, that is angle of emergence. If there is no glass slab, then what happens? The incident ray, it does not changes its path. It travels in a straight this dotted line, right? So what happens? Because of this glass slab, it shifts. Yes, because of glass slab, what happens? Incident ray laterally shifts. Okay, so incident ray and emergent ray are parallel. So when these are parallel, so we can say angle of incidence and angle of emergence are equal. Okay, so see, the perpendicular distance between incident ray and emergent ray is called lateral displacement. So for your second question, answer is what? Incident ray and emergent ray are parallel to each other. And third, AB is the lateral displacement. So next question, a ray of light enters a glass slab PQRS as shown in the diagram. The critical angle of the glass is 42 degree. Copy this diagram and complete the path of the ray till it emerges from the glass slab. Mark the angle in the diagram wherever necessary. So this is the given diagram. So see, yes, for a given diagram, a ray of light, it incidents at a surface. At that surface, draw a normal. So what is the angle of incidence here? Right? So most of the students, what they are thinking is the angle of incidence is 42. It is not a The angle of incidence is, we are not measuring from the surface, we are measuring from with respect to normal. Okay, so the angle between normal and incident ray is what here. So total angle is 90, so already 42 is there here, so 90 minus 42, what you get? We get here 48 degree. So this angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, so definitely what happens here, it undergoes total internal reflection. So this is reflected ray. So now for reflection, law of reflection, if this is 48 degree, then definitely is reflected angle, reflecting angle is also 48 degree. So it incidents at the another surface. So now here also it is necessary to draw a normal, right? So if it is normal here, see this angle is 42 degree, so this angle is also 42 degree here, alternative angles. So 42 degree, then this is 48 degree definitely, right? So here what happens at this point of incidence, incident ray incidence at 42 degree, but critical angle of the glass is what? 42 degree. So it grazes the surface, right? It grazes the surface. Next, question 5. A stick partly immersed in water appears to be bent. Draw a ray diagram to show the bending of stick when placed in water and viewed obliquely from the above. Yes, the diagram is this. This is a stick. At the air-water interface, what happens? Yes, light, it bends. So at this, it looks like, yes, the stick, it bends. Because of that, yes, because of refraction of light, what happens? Stick, it looks bent at the water-air interface. So this is a diagram, whatever in question they asked. So the stick appears to be bent upward and seems to be shortened. When we are observing from the rarer medium, what happens? The stick looks shortened and it bends at the interface of air water. Why this happens? Because of refraction of light. Yes. In this video I will stop here. In the next I will start question number 6. Okay. So in refraction of light theory part, if you need, yes, you see my videos in YouTube. Okay. Thank you.